Hey there, my name is Matt Landmark, and today I'll be going over my concept for the game that I call The Cube, a single player, first person puzzle solving game focused all around solving puzzles to escape an underground facility while also trying to escape a form of time loop that continues to keep you trapped inside of this unknown facility to you. Now, this game would be, of course, for specifically computer systems, however, would not be specifically restricted to one specific system, i.e., Windows, Mac, whatever you plan on using. But this game is meant to challenge any player who decides to go about it with many difficult challenges and puzzles, making them also second guess every single decision they come across, while also making them have to consider every single action and thought that they ever hear or take. And overall, this game is going to be set up for anyone who's just looking for a great challenge, where the key mechanics would be typically limited to dragging around objects and moving them and placing them into specific areas to allow the player to be able to maneuver and get to either higher locations, lower locations, etc., etc. Typically, also utilizing a form of code answering, such as being given a key code that you need to find a specific door that would need that said code. Of course, this would be further expanded on in development, but because it's a concept, I'm just focusing on some of the minor details. If you care enough about this project, then you can read the GDD that I'll have linked in the description. Now, the main idea, as I've kind of already gone over, is to be solving puzzles to escape this unknown facility where you, the player, will be trapped in this underground facility that is just very unknown to you. You have no idea who you are, where you even are, or how you're even going to escape, let alone if you even have a life outside of the facility waiting for you. And so, one of the key features that I want to focus most on in this video was talking about the time loop, where, of course, already I've explained the main intention is to escape the cube, which is what the facility is called. But the main overarching issue for you is every puzzle you solve has multiple solutions where sometimes you have to go back after time loops every time you try and escape, or if you die, time will loop back and you'll have to try and redo the puzzle, except it'll have different solutions or different ways you can go about it, like the facility is morphing and evolving around you as you continue to keep trying to go about it. So for the initial concept, this will be focusing on how the main character, our protagonist, would be needing to find specific items to try and escape the cube, ones that they may not be able to discover within their first loop, when they first enter and first start playing the game, but one that they may discover after, say, the fifth or sixth loop, that they will uncover where this location is that they may not have known about even when they first started playing. But puzzle-wise, there could be, for an example that I have mentioned before, is that there may be a set of doors that the player needs to open, where each door, every single loop, will have a different other side, at least, like a different solution and a different result of whatever kind of solution that you end up using. So I hope that if you're interested enough in this project that you'll give it a good look over, and thank you all for listening.